Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Discord to your Elgato capture source, full guide step by step clearly. Ensure your Elgato capture device is connected to your computer. Open the Elgato game capture software on your computer. Select the capture source you wish to use. Verify that your console is powered on and the footage is being displayed. Launch Discord on your computer. In Discord, navigate to the user settings by clicking the gear icon next to your username. Scroll down to the voice and video section. Look for the input device drop-down menu. Select your Elgato capture device from the list of available input devices. Adjust the input volume if necessary. Test your voice by speaking into the microphone and ensuring the input level is registering. Exit the user settings once you are satisfied with the audio settings. In the Discord server you wish to join, navigate to a voice channel. Join the voice channel by clicking on it. Confirm that your friends can hear the audio being captured by your Elgato device. Monitor the audio levels in both Discord and the Elgato game capture software. Adjust any settings as necessary for optimal sound quality. You are now successfully connected to Discord using your Elgato capture source. Enjoy your streaming and gaming experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.